Today in Advanced MATLAB, we're going to show how you can use callbacks to modify data on a plot. By clicking and dragging, I'm able to update the x data on this line such that the line will follow my cursor. I'm going to turn on these little notes to let you know what callbacks are active. You can see right now there's two callbacks active. One on the figure, which is window button up function. And whenever I let go of the mouse button, this will be called. And the function that's called by this callback is stop drag function. The other callback that's currently active is the button down function for this line. So when I click on this line, we're going to call start drag function. Let me do that now. As soon as I click, we run the start drag function. And what that does is it actually will set the window button motion function to drag function. So basically, as soon as I click, I'm going to set a new function. And that drag function is now active whenever I move my mouse. And what it's basically doing is getting the current point and updating the x data of that line to the current x point where I'm moving the mouse. Finally, when I let go of this button, the window button up function is called, and that means that we're going to run stop drag function. And what stop drag function does is it basically is going to take that window button motion function and get rid of it. So now when I move the mouse, nothing happens. Let's look at the code that made this happen. It's pretty much as we would expect. We're going to go through and create the figure, and then we're going to create the line and set the button down function as discussed earlier. Let's look at that. That is the start drag function. The start drag function, all it's going to do is, for the figure, set the window button motion function as discussed. The window button motion function of dragging function is just going to get the current point, and it's going to set the x data as appropriate. And then finally, when we release the mouse button, the stop drag function is called, which is basically going to eliminate the window button motion function that was set with the start drag. That's it. So you can see how you can get creative with this and do a lot of different updates on your plots based on when you click and drag. Thank you.